This video is a Keto Diet Introduction for Beginners. Hey, it's Sira Knight here, author of the books Keto Diet Meal Prep and Keto Diet Bread. Here on Keto Diet Explorations, we help you to use the keto diet to lose weight, have more energy, and feel great throughout the day. If you are new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button and ring that bell icon. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description box below this video. So let's jump into this Keto Diet Introduction for Beginners. So to begin with, let's first answer the question: what is a ketogenic diet? A ketogenic or keto diet is a diet that involves eating very low amounts of carbs and high amounts of fats. One of the main benefits of eating in this way is that it can allow your body to burn fat more effectively. A big benefit of the keto diet is that you can lose fat without experiencing hunger. This is because the high amounts of fat relieve your hunger. The keto diet is a very low carb and high fat diet. Eating low amounts of carbs and higher amounts of fats will put your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis, which is where the keto diet gets its name from. When your body is in ketosis, your body will switch over to burn fat stores in your body as a fuel and energy source. The body can run on two fuels. 1. Sugar in the form of carbohydrates such as bread, pasta, rice, potatoes. 2. Fat. The keto diet is so low in carbs that the body ends up having to switch over to using fats as its primary fuel source. From real foods such as eggs, meat, avocado, butter, olive oil, nuts. Even your brain can be fueled by fat. When the body is out of sugar as a fuel source, the liver is able to convert fat stores in your body into an energy source known as ketones, that can be used to fuel your brain. When you eat in a way that causes your body to run on the fat reserves in this way, you are eating in a ketogenic way. This is because it causes your liver to produce ketones. What are some of the benefits of being in a state of ketosis? Your body becomes a fat-burning machine. This is perfect if you want to experience rapid weight loss without hunger. When on a ketogenic diet, your body will burn fat 24/7, even while you are sleeping. You will also experience a lot more energy. You will find that you will never really run out of energy when on a ketogenic diet. What are the origins of the ketogenic diet? The origins of the ketogenic diet go way back to what was known as a strict low-carb diet, a gluten-free diet, the paleo diet, the Atkins diet. The basic idea is to avoid most carbohydrates including sugar, processed junk food, bread, pasta, rice, and instead you eat meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, natural fats, such as grass-fed butter. The main difference with the keto diet is that it is a supercharged low-carb diet. Why does the keto diet work so well? Some people believe the keto diet works so well because our ancestors did not eat refined carbohydrates as we can so easily do today. Our bodies may not be adapted to those types of foods. Modern science proves that the keto diet works. On a keto diet, most people are able to lose excess weight without any hunger feelings. By the way, did you know having a custom keto diet plan will help you to lose weight even faster? Yes, it's true. Follow the link in the description below to find out more. The keto diet can be enjoyed not only as a temporary fix for weight loss or to fix some health issues, but can also be enjoyed long-term as a eating lifestyle. Many people who eat keto long-term say they feel energized and experience greater mental clarity throughout the day. You can even save time on the keto diet. This is because you spend less time eating and snacking throughout the day when on a ketogenic diet. On a keto diet you can lose weight without having to do any exercise. But doing some exercise can help you increase your overall levels of health and energy. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, you can hit that red subscribe button to make sure you subscribe now and don't miss anything. And if you have any questions or comments about this video or the keto diet in general, please leave your comments below. Thanks.